Guys, welcome back. So this is what I was working on Thursday and today. So on Thursday I was working on these can lights inside the ceiling grid tiles, as you can see here, in the other room. And then today I was working on I did fix a couple cans, but mainly I was just working on installing the 2x2 lights, which you'll see here in a second, but they're all around this room in a circle, or I guess a rectangle. But these are the 2x2 lights right here, that you're looking at right now up in the ceiling. So I put all those in this room, and then I had to shoot slack wires, put in the whips, and then tie them down, screw them down, and put the tabs over the T-bar ceiling. And that's pretty much all I worked on today, was just installing these lights. And that pretty much wraps up my day. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And see what we got tomorrow once I finish up this room. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.